This medication, Fml Forte suspension in drops, is used to treat certain eye conditions caused by inflammation or injury. Fluorometholone, the active ingredient, works by relieving symptoms such as swelling, redness, and itching. It belongs to a class of drugs known as corticosteroids. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by your doctor. When using Fml Forte suspension or drops, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. If your doctor allows you to wear contact lenses while using this medication, be sure to remove them before applying the eye drops. Wait at least 15 minutes after applying the drops before putting your contact lenses back in. To apply the eye drops, wash your hands first and shake the bottle well. Tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down your lower eyelid to create a small pocket. Place one drop into the pocket and then close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes. If you need to use the drops in both eyes, repeat the process for the other eye. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. The dosage and length of treatment will be determined by your doctor based on your medical condition and response to the medication. Do not stop using this medication without consulting your doctor, as suddenly stopping it may worsen your condition. If your condition does not improve after 2 days or if it gets worse, be sure to contact your doctor. And if the eye drops become contaminated, do not use them and seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist. When using Fml Forte suspension, drops, you may experience stinging or burning of the eyes for 1 to 2 minutes, as well as temporary blurred vision. If these effects continue or worsen, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist promptly. It's important to note that this medication has been prescribed to you because the benefit outweighs the risk of potential side effects. While many people do not experience serious side effects, prolonged use or high doses may lead to serious eye problems such as high pressure inside the eyes and cataracts. If you experience vision problems or eye pain, it's important to notify your doctor right away. Additionally, this medication may mask the signs of an eye infection and increase your risk of developing one, especially with prolonged use. Be sure to report any new or worsening symptoms such as eye discharge, swelling, redness, or vision problems to your doctor, as they may need to adjust your treatment. If you experience serious side effects such as headache or dizziness, it's important to inform your doctor immediately. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before using Fml Forte suspension or drops, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you have a history of eye infections, recent eye surgery, cataracts, glaucoma, severe nearsightedness, or diabetes. After applying this medication, your vision may become temporarily blurred, so it's important to avoid activities that require clear vision until it is safe to do so. Before undergoing any surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you develop a new eye infection or injury, or if you need eye surgery, consult your doctor to see if you should continue using your current bottle of Fml Forte suspension or drops or if you need to start a new bottle. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if clearly needed, and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Fml Forte suspension or drops. It's important to be aware that Fml Forte suspension, drops may interact with other medications, potentially altering their effectiveness or increasing the risk of serious side effects. This video does not cover all possible drug interactions, so it's crucial to keep a detailed list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. It's essential to always seek your doctor's approval before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful, especially if someone has taken too much and experiences serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing. In such cases, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, this medication is prescribed specifically for your current condition and should not be shared with others. Do not use it for a different eye condition without consulting your doctor first. Your doctor may need to perform eye exams and pressure measurements while you are using this medication, so make sure to attend all medical appointments and consult your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for the next dose, then just skip the missed dose and take the next one at the usual time. Do not take double the dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Fml Forte suspension, drops, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist. Make sure not to freeze it and avoid storing it in the bathroom. Keep the bottle upright and tightly closed when you're not using it, and always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of this medication, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless you're instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.